Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to English class standard 7. 3.4. Please don't read this poem by Ken Nesbitt. 3.4. Please don't read this poem. Ken Nesbitt is children's poet. He writes humorous poems. They express children's feeling and experience. Ordinarily, all authors want people to read their literature, but funnily, the author of this poem keeps on warning the reader not to read this poem. The warning have just the opposite effect. You are tempted even more to read the poem. केन नेस्बिट बच्चों की नज़में लिखते हैं और उनकी नज़में जो है जैसे और ऑथर्स होते हैं वो चाहते थे कि बच्चे जो है उनके लिटरेचर पढ़े, लेकिन केन नेस्बिट ने जो है बच्चों के लिए बहुत ही मज़ाहिया नज़में लिखी है। तो आज हम ऐसी एक उनकी मज़ाहिया नज़म पढ़ते हैं। हाँ, उसके पहले हम देखते हैं वर्ड मीनिंग। मेंट फॉर मी, सिर्फ मेरे लिए। पोलाइटली, नरमी से। ट्वाइस, 2 मरतबा। प्राइवेट, ज़ाती। माइन, मेरा। क्वाइट, छोड़ देना। क्विट, छोड़ देना। क्रॉप, पुलिस। फॉरएवर, मुस्तकिल तौर पर। एग्जिस्ट, वजूद रखना। फ्रेल, कमज़ोर। अमेगो, दोस्तों। प्लीज़ डोंट रीड दिस पोएम. It's only meant for me. That's it. Just move along now. There is nothing to see. Besides, I'm sure you'd rather just go outside and play. So put the poem down now and slowly back away. Hey, there are you still reading? That isn't very nice. I have asked you once politely. Don't make me ask you twice. I'm telling you it's private. Do not read one more line. Hey, that's one more now. Stop it. This isn't yours. It's mine. You are not allowed to read this poem. You really have to stop. If you don't quit this instant, I swear I will call a cop. He will drag you off in handcuffs. He will lock you up in jail and leave you there forever until you are old and frail. Your friends will all forget you. You won't be even miss. Your family too will likely to forget that you exist. And all because of you. Read this poem instead of having fun. It's too late now, amigo. The poem's nearly done. There is only one solution. Here is what you will have to do. Tell all your friends and family they shouldn't read it too. Thank you. Hope you enjoyed the poem.